Hey friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Creating defined areas in a living room can bring a sense of structure, function, and flow to your home. Whether you are working with a large open floor plan or a smaller apartment, using partitions is a great way to carve out separate zones for dining, relaxing, or entertaining without compromising the space styles or openness. This video will explore a variety of living room partition ideas, focusing on stylish and creative solutions to enhance your home layout and ambience. A well-planned living room partition not only helps in defining spaces but can also add aesthetic appeal to your home. Open floor plans are common in modern homes, but these wide spaces can sometimes feel too vast or unfocused. Living room partitions create boundaries, allowing for better functionality in more intimate areas while still maintaining an airy open feel. Partition can serve many purposes beyond separating areas. They can double as storage, art displays, or even as statement features that adds personality to your living room. Selecting the right partition depends on the size of your living room, the layout, and personal style preferences. Some partitions are purely decorative while others provides a practical purpose, such as added privacy, storage, or soundproofing. It's more important to choose a partition that not only suits your aesthetic but also enhances the functionality of the space. Open shelving units are one of the most popular living room partition ideas as they offer a balance between separation and openness. These units can be placed between the living room and adjacent spaces such as the dining room or entryway. They provide visual separation without completely closing off the space, allowing light to flow through the room. Open shelving also gives you the opportunity to display decorative items, books, or plants, making it both practical and visual appealing. The key to using open shelving as a partition is to maintain a cohesive look throughout the space. Choose shelving that complements the overall style of your living room, whether it's modern, rustic, or industrial. Additionally, keep the items on display well curated and not too cluttered to avoid overwhelming the space. Sliding barn doors are a stylish and functional way to partition a living room. They provide the flexibility of having a completely open or closed off space, depending on your needs. When open, the doors slide along a track, revealing a wide, airy entrance between rooms. When closed, they provide privacy and create a sense of separation. Glass partition are a fantastic option if you want to define area in your living room without blocking out natural light. These partitions can come in a form of glass walls, sliding doors, or even large windows set into frames. Glass allows lights to pass through, ensuring that the room stays bright and open while still providing a visual barrier between different areas. Folding screens are one of the most versatile living room partition ideas. These freestanding portable partitions can be easily moved around and rearranged, making them perfect for contemporary or flexible space separation. They are available in a variety of styles, materials, and colors, allowing you to choose one that complements your home decor. Curtains are an elegant and simple solution of living room partitions, especially if you want to create a soft, fluid division between spaces. Unlike solid partitions, curtains provide a more flexible boundary that can be drawn close for privacy or pulled open for a more open feel. This option works well in the smart apartments or space where you want the ability to quickly change the layout. Half wall or pony wall are a great way to divide a living room without creating a full floor to ceilings barrier. These low partitions provide a visual separation between spaces while maintaining an open feel. They are partially useful in open plan living rooms where you want to different areas such as a dining or a study space without completely closing them off. Wooden slat partitions are a modern and minimalistic way to define spaces in your living room. These vertical or horizontal slats create a sense of division while still allowing light and air to pass through, making them feel ideal for maintaining an open feel. The natural texture of wood adds warmth and visual interest to the space, making it a great choice for modern or contemporary homes. For nature lovers, a vertical garden or living wall is an innovative and eye catching way to partition a living room. Not only does it serve as a functional divider, but it also brings the beauty of nature indoors, improving air quality and adding a lush green aesthetic to your space. Vertical gardens can be created using wall mounted planters, freestanding frames, or shelving units filled with potted plants. Choose a variety of plants that thrive indoors, such as ferns, succulents, or ivy, to create a thriving green partition. This idea works particularly well in homes with a natural, bohemian, or eco friendly design aesthetic. Bookcases are a functional and stylish way to partition your home while providing much needed storage. A tall open bookcase can act as a divider between space like the living room and dining room, offering storage for books, decorative items, and plants. The open design ensures that the room still feels light and airy, while the shelves provides ample space for displaying personal items. A fireplace is a striking and functional way to partition a living room, whether it's traditional wood burning fireplace or a modern gas or electric unit. A fireplace can serve as a central focal point that divides the living room from adjacent spaces like the dining room or kitchen. In an open floor plan, a double sided fireplace allows you to enjoy the warmth and ambience from multiple rooms. Living room partition ideas offer endless possibilities for defining spaces, enhances functionality and adding style to your home. Whether you choose open shelving, sliding doors, or a vertical garden, the right partition can transform your living room into a more organized and visually appealing space. Consider your room layouts, your personal style, and the overall flow of your home when selecting the perfect partition. With careful planning and a creative approach, you can achieve a beautifully divided living room that meets your need and elevates your home's design. I hope these designs are very helpful in choosing the partition design for your living room. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.